Hey everyone, welcome back to How on Click. Today, we're tackling a quick and essential task that can help your Windows 10 run smoother, removing temporary files. These files can pile up over time and slow down your system, but don't worry, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide. Let's dive in. What are temporary files? First things first, let's briefly talk about what temporary files are. Temporary files are created by the operating system or applications to store temporary data. They can include things like system updates, browser cache, and installation files. While these files are useful for a short time, they can take up unnecessary space and even affect performance if not cleaned up regularly. Manually deleting temp files. For more control, you can manually delete temporary files. Here's how. 1. Open temp folder. Press Win-R to open the Run dialog. Type sent temp% and press Enter. 2. Select and delete. This will open the temp folder. Select all files by pressing Ctrl-A, then right-click and choose Delete. If some files can't be deleted because they're in use, you can skip them. Next, do the same for the C Windows temp folder. Just open the Run dialog, type C-Windows temp, and repeat the process. Using Disk Cleanup tool. Let's start with the Disk Cleanup tool, a built-in feature in Windows 10. Here's how to use it. 1. Open Disk Cleanup. Press Win-S to open the search bar, type Disk Cleanup, and select it from the results. 2. Choose Drive. Select the drive you want to clean, usually it's the C drive. Click OK. 3. Scan for files. Disk Cleanup will analyze your drive and present a list of file types that can be cleaned. Check the box next to temporary files and any other types you want to delete. 4. Clean up system files. For a deeper clean, click Clean up system files. Select the drive again and wait for Disk Cleanup to scan. Check additional boxes if needed and click OK, then delete files. And that's it. Disk Cleanup will remove the selected temporary files. So consider using a tool to find and manage them. And that's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks on keeping your tech running smoothly. Got questions or suggestions for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time on How on Click.